The reason why we're doing a Maine Terrarium is because I've done a full report on Maine, and our teacher wanted us to do a creativity project, and so I got the list. And one said diorama, and so I asked her if I could do a terrarium, because that's what I do. And she said, sure. So today we're going to dismantle this one. We're going to use most of the plants except for the cactus and this guy. And then here we're going to rebuild it for the Maine terrarium. So we're going to get this ready with stones, and then we're going to take our cactus mix, not this mix. So I have my plants from the dismantled terrarium.